Alright, so since my quad exhaust decided to fuck himself, I am back on the scooter. It's not so bad. I've also got a car now, so I feel like that's at least compensates for a little bit. But yeah, I'm still at least like a week out from having everything fixed on the quad now. After that I hope I can start driving again, because I've been missing out on it a little bit. At least for now, the weather forecast for the next week or maybe even more is only rain every day. So yeah, it's for the next week it's not gonna be a problem, but if it's gonna take longer to fix, or if he cannot fix this exhaust, then it's gonna be a problem. What's this guy on the bike path? The yellow van from DHL. But yeah, basically because I've been missing out. Well, actually, I'm going this way. Because I've been missing out on off-roading with the quad, and it's rained for the past couple of days, so the trail would be quite good to drive today. I'm just gonna do it with the scooter. It's not like I've not done it a lot on this machine already, or in general on scooters. Because honestly, off-roading with scooters is a bunch of fun. It's definitely easier with the quad though. It's not raining right now, but it has been raining a lot today. But the wind is... it's a lot. So this is my regular entry with the quad. Wait. Got my sun visor down, so it's a bit too dark to see with it. Oh. It's definitely when it's rained, when it's dry. It's I've done it a bunch with the scooter. It's quite tricky when it's rained. This has not got enough power to spin the rear wheel behind. Nah, nothing. And then you'll see you have a little bit in a little bit of road in a bit, and that's gonna be so soft that you're just gonna slide straight in with your front. Yeah, I like this piece here. Wait. You do not want to get stuck in there. Hey. Hey. Jesus Christ, man. Hey. now filled the thread on the rear wheel, which makes it a lot more difficult to put the power down to the ground without slipping away. Oh shit. I still think doing it with a scooter has got its charm. It's definitely not as fast as the quad. Although I don't think the difference is actually that big when it's dry. When it's wet like this and slippery, yeah. It's gonna be near impossible with the scooter to do the same times as you're gonna do on the quad. Besides, the quad's just got a lot more power, right? Since the weather is bad as it is, we have pretty much the whole forest for ourselves now. Whee. When you hit like the grass is fine, right? It's actually got a decent amount of grip. Your rear wheel isn't just sliding out. The moment you touch like the actual dirt / mud part of the ground, that's the point where here, this type of ground. This is the point where I'm completely slipping out on the rear. Whee. Let's go straight. Whee. Let's check. So I bet the yeah, that's filled up with mud, alright. It's the front looking. A little bit better actually. Hey. Incredibly so slippery. Oh dear. I can't even like properly put my feet down to get it. Right, it's okay. Oh, so difficult. This is actually somewhat similar to driving on snow. The grip level, near similar. Actually, it's a bit more here now. Snow is worse, but still. Whoa! It's just dancing behind you, left to right, left to right. It's continuous. Whoa. You're not gonna see any of that on camera, but you're constantly having it nearly spin out. So you're trying to use your ass and your hips to keep your rear wheel from spinning out. And then if you're actually spinning out, you have to let go of the throttle, of course. Try and get it to correct itself. Which is quite tricky here, since it's so slippery. Okay, so here I know it's deep. Right, so if you go in here, I think you would actually get it stuck, probably. Oi. Oi. Kurwa. Should have put my feet on the tray. This guy's probably thinking what I'm doing here. Okay, so let's use the grass to kind of wipe off the tire. Then okay, I think that's good. Whoppa. Okay, so it was actually quite nice to go off-roading again with the scooter. It is always actually quite a lot of fun. Despite not being near the same quality as the quad to go off-road with, it's still okay. It's a lot of fun. You're just spinning out. It's probably not the best to actually use off-road, but if you want to play with it off-road, it's pretty good.